Good morning. A missing link. Why social sciences research must connect to societal and real world issues. India's doctoral research ecosystem in social sciences is in urgent need of a structural overhaul. While doctoral scholars in other countries are evaluated on working prototypes and real world applications, the Indian system remains wedded to voluminous dissertations and the pressure to publish in so called peer reviewed or indexed journals. Problems. The mandatory publication requirement has lowered the quality of research and spawned an entire ecosystem of predatory and cloned journals that exploit desperate doctoral candidates who pay hefty sums to get their paper published. The publishing landscape has undergone a damaging inversion, where journals once paid scholars for their contribution. Today, scholars pay for the privilege of being published. Even more troubling is the exploitation by supervisors, ranging from demands to ghostwrite paper under the supervisor's name to performing domestic errands and, in extreme cases, being asked to pay to complete research within stipulated deadline. Universities themselves are not free of blame. Administrative delays plague doctoral candidates from the moment of registration up to thesis adjudication and result publication. In one reported incident, a teacher association had to intervene just to clear procedural formalities and resolve the reasons behind the delay. The contrast within the science is stark. Doctoral students collaborate on lab experiments, co develop working protocols, create patentable products, and contribute to joint intellectual property. Social science scholars, meanwhile, work in relative isolation on topics chosen less for societal relevance than for administrative compliance, completing research that is rarely tested against real world rigor. Revamp needed. A resurgence in the research environment in social science requires regulatory bodies to ensure that universities are linked with the society around them. A mandatory academia industry link for research and adoption of higher education institutes by industries can lead to research projects that address the problems that these companies face. The departments of pedagogy, adult education, and lifelong learning can be directed to focus on issues such as curriculum design challenges, the integration of artificial intelligence in teaching and learning, and the development of scientific students' assessment tools. By maintaining direct links with government departments and organizations working with child welfare, the departments of special education and rehabilitation can look at early identification of differently able children and their integration into mainstream life. The economics department can work with district, state, and national planning bodies to prepare annual plans meant for optimal allocation of government resources. Data collection through field research and the analysis involved are routine aspects of research. Grassroots issues like farmer distress or problems of informal workers can be an area of collaborative research with Labour Commission, State Finance Commission, and so on. So far, only a handful of institutions, such as Gokhale Research Institute and the Madras Institute of Developmental Studies, have made a mark in the national planning bodies. Creating a link with governmental organs can help economic departments transform self bound research into a mutually beneficial social endeavor. Departments of sociology, social work, psychology, and philosophy can state can establish links to social bodies, prisons, juvenile homes, and NGOs working in rehabilitation and child protection to address and find solutions to social problems. The doctoral thesis that results from India's current research system often lie in archives, unread, unapplied, and of no use to the stakeholders in whose name they were ostensibly written. This is a systemic failure of purpose. The missing link between academia and society must be not only established but made mandatory in every university. Only then will India's doctoral degree reflect the rigor and relevance that the nation's investment in higher education demands.